everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you few plain sarees with floral print blouses. So if you want to design a saree which is of like very decent and designer also, so you can try this type of sarees. For that you have to buy a floral print fabric which comes in cotton also, and just buy around 1 meter and take any plain color saree which is of matching color with that fabric, and put some laces in the border of the sarees, and you can make your own designer sarees which is very simple yet designer. So please continue watching the video till the end to know and to get some ideas about these type of sarees.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.